Someone's on the tracks! Stop the train! Stop!
So that's what it sounds like when a train hits a truck. It was a little more trucky than I would have thought, considering how much train there was.
This is all your fault. You killed my truck.
I was just trying to help. And if it wasn't the train, it would have been something else. That mechanic said it only had 500 miles left.
Even if he was right, which he wasn't, if I only drove 5 miles a year, I could have had her another 100 years. We should have asked for a lift.